It's the best because it's like slow enough in second gear, and you can control it super easy.
This one's good, but the cement is pretty scary there. Jesus Christ. Gasser.
I am good. Don't worry. I was letting it straighten out.
Yeah, it's more pavementy now.
Yeah.
So it's catching. He disappears in the snow and then you just see him stuck. Oh my lord.
Remind me to keep to the right on that next time.
Wide angle there. That's it.
You got the car that's stuck.
Oh gosh darn it, no shit is that guy. I'm not even surprised. Flip me this camera. Flip me this camera.
Just him the whole time.
Oh my god, we can take photos while we f***ing record a video.
They f***ed up this corner so hard. I don't have enough grip to keep it going.
Ideal. Burning these tires.
It's fine, they cool off immediately.
That's true.
That's ice, you feel that?
Oh, I feel her.
Immediately went sideways with no effort. Because man's hot over here. Baby drifts.
It's because you have the AC Schnitzer packages. I know this.
It has to be.
It's a lot tighter.
ZHP package.
It's a lot tighter with the
Alright.
Schnitzer.
Let's go snappies.
Let's go. Here we go. Wow, out here. Oh, we're facing this way now. And now we're facing this way.
That guy didn't turn on his all fours. He didn't pay attention in class.
You think his Toyota would be moving, but it is not. Don't ever buy this particular model vehicle.
I think they have an LSD too, which is kind of jokes.
They do have LSD from the factory.
The
170 horse, 2-liter Boxster, and he can't get it out. Oh yeah, buddy. Over sideways as f***.
Oh, no, I missed that. Right into the rut. And then this corner here is...
Apparently it's bad ice.
Yep. Yeah, no, there's nothing on the front tires right now. Like I can't even hold it in at 20 kilometers an hour.
Whew. I'm really worried for these idiots now.
Alright, we're alright, baby. We alright. Jesus Christ, people.
No, these guys are morons.
Yeah, absolutely. Why are they drifting into you?
I see you guys missed the total corner here where it set up the track in the grass.
Yeah. This corner is all ice. It's a spin out corner. We spun out every time.
See that in a second.
That was awesome.
It's starting to warm up. It's gonna have to be a top down.
Top down kind of day, huh?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Hey, like, once you got your gear on, the heated seats.
Opa. The rut on the right was close. Too close for my comfort. I don't want to lose a wheel.
Oh my god, I can't even like get away from that. That's a 4-wheel. Not even a drift, just slide sideways. No traction.
Oh yeah.
Man, this is ice. Why do I even try?
It's like polished ice at this point.
Yeah. Ivan's been out here servicing it, polishing.
You have a power retractable roof on this cunt?
Yep.
Jesus, bro, that's so f***ing classy.
Do you see Ivan out there or no?
He's not outside, he must be on the track.
Oh god, right in the rut.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Diesel Audi.
Was that him?
Yeah. 4 wheels, just sliding. That's awesome. Acapullitas, man, they're down to like 40% left. But honestly, as much as I like them at the, I mean, when they're nice and new,
yeah,
they have insane traction.
Yeah.
But pretty shitty, like just the way they drift. Like they lose traction at too high of a speed, so then it's just sketchy for me.
Oh, I guess. Yeah.
X-Ices were perfect. They're just like much easier to control.
That's what Ivan has. The
Okay.
guy just laughing. That's awesome. Nice, nice, nice.
I just want to drift in the field. Screw this. It's just ice. Like we're on a hockey rink right now.
Straight up ice, yeah.
Oh. What did he do there? He
How do you do that?
He just bailed in a
How
straight
do you
line.
do that?
I have no idea. Okay, this guy can off. You gotta be kidding me.
With a cigarette in his mouth.
See, this corner here used to be good.
Yep.
Now that it's this, you got to go all the way to the end, and then you give it.
Yeah, but there's a ditch still. There's a ditch.
You know what? This is beauty now. Yeah, it's steering good. God, this is 46. Who am I popping?
This is something that you don't even attempt, because the way that it angles and it's all ice, you can see how many people ended up over there.
Yeah, some shit you don't f*** with.
You walk away from this. You know better than this.
Experience.
This one here, just a little bit of a weight transfer in second gear, throttle, and it's all ice. Same with this is ice. Don't f with this one. Look, I didn't do anything.
I mean, can you point out any more ice?
There's lots of ice. You see, guys?
Is there snow at all? Edward Snowden, government secret. Nicely done.
Hey, guess what this one is, guys?
Well, I'm assuming this one's definitely not ice.
No?
It's shiny enough to be ice, but I can't believe it's not ice.
Look at it. Look at it.
Okay.
I haven't touched anything.
Shbedam, is that live?
This is live.
Say a word.
Could this be live?
I figured out how.
On Instagram?
Didn't
or-
think it was
Yeah,
live.
it's through Instagram. I can't see anything. It's too bright, but I know it's recording somehow.
Oh, this here, by the way, the hole of death. You can lose.
Oh
a
my
fucking
lord,
tire.
I
yeah,
saw
yeah,
that.
the candy canes. Oh, there it is. Just dropped that tire. Like
That's-
you're gonna deliver tofu.
All right, here's an aggressive corner for everyone.
Apache.
This is all good things come from trying to impress people on live media.
Look what live does to people.
You know what I mean? Oh, that's ice, isn't it?
That's all ice.
I've seen ice. I've learned what
What's
ice
the
looks
traction
like.
saying on this straightaway?
Everything's off, my friend. Traction control off, airbag off.
Everything.
Take this one easy, and then
Are you gonna show us a 360? Oh wow.
I got a couple of your 360s.
Very good, very good.